Did you know that pineapples take about 2 to 3 years to grow? That's right. These tropical treats don't just pop up overnight. In fact, each pineapple plant produces only one fruit at a time. They thrive in warm climates and need plenty of sunlight, which is why they're mostly found in regions like Hawaii and Costa Rica. Interestingly, the name pineapple dates back to the 17th century when explorers thought they resembled pine cones. And here's a fun twist. Did you know that pineapples are not actually a single fruit? They're made up of hundreds of individual berries fused together. So next time you're enjoying this sweet delight, remember its long journey from plant to plate.